In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed anything on Shopify using a link. We'll walk through adding an embed to your theme using Shopify's custom liquid section. Then we'll review a quick payment setup step you may need if your embed involves PayPal. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and open the theme you want to work on by selecting Edit Theme. This launches the visual theme editor where you can add and arrange sections on your pages. If possible, use a draft or duplicate theme so you can preview changes safely before publishing. Inside the editor, look to the left sidebar that lists your sections. Add a new section to the page you're editing. In the search box, type Custom to filter the options. Choose Custom Liquid. This section lets you paste small snippets like iframes or script tags from trusted providers so they render directly on your storefront. With the Custom Liquid section selected, move to the right-hand settings panel. Paste your embed code into the input area. If you only have a shareable link, open the Services Share or Embed menu and copy the generated embed snippet, then paste it here. You should see a live preview in the editor. Adjust the section's placement by dragging it where you want it on the page. If the content looks cropped or too small, tweak width and height values in the snippet, or adjust padding and spacing in the section settings. Make sure any URLs in the code use HTTPS to avoid mixed content warnings. When it looks good, click Save. Now return to your Shopify admin home. Open Settings from the bottom left, then choose Payments. Find PayPal in your payment providers. If you see a notice that the setup is incomplete, open it. Click Complete Setup and follow the prompts to connect and authorize your account. This step is helpful when your embedded content includes PayPal elements, like a PayPal button or an Express checkout widget, so customers can complete purchases without errors. When you're done, preview your store on both desktop and mobile to confirm the embed loads quickly, is responsive, and doesn't interfere with other sections. If it doesn't appear, double-check that you saved the editor, that the code came from a trusted source, and that your theme supports a custom liquid section on that template. That's it. You've embedded external content on Shopify using a link-driven embed, and you're ready to go live.